Welcome to Manny Maker. This is your friend Manny, and today we will help you with the Rollo thermal printer and teach you how to print label stickers. We will cover this topic in four parts. First, from setting up your machine, then installing the drivers on your system, then adjusting few settings on the device from control panel, and finally printing a test label from your printer. So let's start. Make sure your power switch on the Rollo printer is turned off. Plug in the power cable to your roller printer. Connect the USB cable to both the printer and your computer. Press the side release button and open the printer cover. Load the label roll and adjust the purple guides so that they slightly touch both sides of the label. Carefully close the printer. Switch on the power button. Press and hold the top button until you hear a single bleep. Once you hear it, Rollo will automatically detect the label. After label detection, remove the label and reinsert it to confirm the alignment. You're done with the first procedure. Now let's download and install the drivers. Open your browser and go to www.rollo.com/driver. On the web page, click on Install Driver tab. If you're using Windows, click on Download Windows Driver. The download will start automatically. If you're a Mac user, don't worry. Simply click on Download Mac Driver and follow the on-screen steps. After downloading, click on the download icon in your browser and open the zip file. Right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All option. In the pop-up window, click on Extract button. Afterwards, you'll be taken into an unzipped folder. Double-click on the Rollo Windows latest folder to open it. Open the Rollo Printer Driver application to begin installation. When the language window appears, select your preferred language and click OK. Press the Next button. Click on Install, then select Next in the installation wizard. In the Windows Security pop-up, click on Install and then click on Finish when the installation is complete. Your Rollo printer is now set up. Let's fine-tune a few settings before we start printing. Click on the Windows Start button and search for Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Select Devices and Printers. Click on Devices. Scroll down and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right-click on Rollo Printer. Select Printer Preferences. Under the Layout tab, click on Advanced. In the Paper Size drop-down, select your preferred label size. Click on OK to save. Great! We have finished setting up your printer preferences. Now let's move on and start printing. Open File Explorer, then go to Rollo Windows latest folder. You can also find the folder inside your Downloads directory. On the Rollo Windows latest folder, open the sample label file, then click on the printer icon. In the print window, make sure your Rollo printer is selected as the default printer. Double check all the settings, then press the print button. Your Rollo printer will start printing the label. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, you can subscribe our channel. You can also visit Manny Maker or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't addressed your issue yet, please let us know in the comment section.